Okay, so although this 10-gate airport doesn't really lend itself to necessarily a big airport hub, I had a request to do it all Delta. So here we go. All Delta models. We got 10 gates all occupied. We got 2 taxiways, 7 airplanes on that, and then you got an arriving 767-300. All right, getting into the gates, starting off, got a CRJ 900 at gate number 2. Next to that, it's a Boeing 717. Airbus A320. And an Airbus 220. That wraps up that first ground level terminal section. All right, moving on. Airbus A319, 737-800, and a 737-900 ER with the scimitars. My last two, we got a custom, kind of a fantasy, since Delta doesn't do this specific theme on any of their A321s, but you have an A321 in the SkyTeam livery. A soon-to-be retired MD-88, and the old 757-200 from my last airport update. And on the taxiway, you got some departing aircraft, kind of getting a little bit of a traffic jam. First one's another 717. Got a pair of CRJ 200s. The first one is the NG models version. And then the back one is the Gemini. Behind that, you have an E145. CRJ 700. And another one of my really tough to find models, the Delta 737-700. And then departing, this is about as big as this airport will take on the runways and taxiways. Since the taxiway and runways and the runway and taxiways aren't quite to scale, they're a little smaller than a 1-200 what it should be. But I was able to fit on the 767-300. This is Gemini's newest release. And that's the whole airport. The last little feature I added to the back, just for the heck of it. Some of my cars, my vehicles driving around the back.